Hi guys, welcome to the Big Tech Course channel. My name is Kate. I can help job seekers refine their storytelling skills, structure responses effectively, and highlight their competencies using real-life examples. This method is widely used in behavioral interviews because it allows candidates to showcase their skills and experience in a clear and compelling way. How to pass a behavioral interview using the STARR approach. Behavioral interviews assess how you have handled specific situations in the past to predict your future performance. The STARR approach, situation, task, action, result, reflection, helps structure your responses to clearly demonstrate your skills, problem-solving ability, and professionalism. Understand the behavioral interview format. Employers ask open-ended questions that start with, "Tell me about a time when." "Give me an example of." "Describe a situation where." These questions evaluate your soft skills, such as leadership, teamwork, problem-solving, adaptability, and communication. Master the STARR framework. Using the STARR method, structure your response as follows. S. Situation. Set the scene. Briefly describe the context or background of the situation. Keep it relevant and concise, avoiding unnecessary details. Example. In my previous role as a customer service representative, we received an unusually high volume of complaints due to a system outage. T. Task. Explain your role. Clarify the specific challenge or responsibility you had in the situation. Highlight what needed to be accomplished. Example. As a senior team member, I was responsible for de-escalating customer frustrations and ensuring timely updates to our support team. A. Action. Detail the steps you took. Describe the specific actions you took to resolve the issue. Focus on what you did rather than what the team did. Showcase skills such as problem-solving, leadership, or collaboration. Example. I immediately gathered information from our IT department and created a FAQ document for our support team to use while assisting customers. I also drafted apology emails and updates to keep customers informed. R. Result. Highlight the outcome. Share the results of your actions, using quantifiable data if possible. Show how your actions had a positive impact. Example. As a result, customer complaints dropped by 30% within 2 days, and my manager praised my proactive approach in a company-wide email. R. Reflection. What you learned. This extra step makes your answer more impactful. Discuss how the experience helped you grow. Example. This situation taught me the importance of proactive communication during crisis. Since then, I've incorporated similar processes to streamline responses in high-pressure situations. Prepare for common behavioral interview questions. Here are some typical questions and example STARR responses. Teamwork question. Question. Tell me about a time you had to work with a difficult team member. S. In my previous role, a colleague was consistently missing deadlines, causing project delays. T. I was responsible for ensuring the project stayed on track. I scheduled a private discussion, learned he was struggling with workload, and helped him delegate tasks. R. He improved his time management and we completed the project on time. R. I learned that communication and understanding personal challenges can improve teamwork. Problem-solving question. Question. Give me an example of a time you had to solve a complex problem under pressure. S. During a product launch, a critical software bug was discovered hours before release. T. As the project manager, I had to ensure a timely solution. I quickly coordinated with developers, had testers verify fixes, and communicated changes to stakeholders. R. The issue was resolved within 2 hours, and the launch proceeded smoothly. R. I learned the importance of staying calm under pressure and prioritizing efficient problem-solving. Tips for a successful behavioral interview. Research common questions. Identify the key competencies for the job and prepare STARR responses in advance. Use real-life examples. Employers want to hear authentic stories from your experience. Be concise and relevant. Avoid rambling. Keep responses to 1 to 2 minutes. Quantify your impact. Use numbers or metrics to show your effectiveness. Practice aloud. Rehearse with a friend or record yourself to refine delivery. Stay positive. Even for negative experiences, focus on what you learned and how you improved. Mastering the STARR approach will help you confidently answer behavioral interview questions and leave a strong impression on the interviewer. The key is to structure your responses clearly, showcase your problem-solving skills, and demonstrate your value to the employer. Subscribe to our channel. The channel contains videos that will give you an example of how to answer behavioral questions on various topics that you may be asked by an employer during a job interview. Good luck with the interview!